Yeah. What are you doing? Are you finger painting? Get some red. Yeah. Logan is finger painting. Wow, look how pretty that is. Good job, buddy. Yeah, you're doing a great job. Look at Mommy's little artist, huh? Ooh, look at that. You mixed red and blue? Yeah? Yeah, look how pretty. Get some yellow in there. There you go. Mix it together. There you go. Yeah. Is that fun? Is that fun? Is that fun, baby? Wow, you're making a beautiful picture. Wow, look at all those colors. Yeah. You're doing a good job. Do you like that? Looking at those colors? Yeah?